everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we might go outside. I think we actually are. Yeah, that was unplanned. So we're gonna get outside, have some fun, and yeah, so this is my front yard. Mike is over here. It's basically my porch. This is my basic porch. This is my bike I love to ride on. This is my bike I like to ride on. This is my basic bike I like to ride on. So yeah. It's a little rainy today, so we might not go outside. But hey, we can still do some fun stuff inside. That's okay. We can do some fun stuff inside. I gotta show you one thing. I gotta go get it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pause it for a little bit. So the video. So yeah, I have found it, and guess what it is? The amazing X-Shot Fast Fill, or like the epic Fast Fill. It has 4 abilities as it shoots. And it fell. So yeah, so it has some abilities you can twist. So it has the, hold on. It has the regular ability. It has the 3-shooter ability. It has the 3-shooter ability. It has the big shooter ability. It has the spread out shooter ability. Cool. And they all shoot up to 30 feet. That is crazy, right? I know. So, next video, I might even shoot the gun at some targets. I'm gonna test my agility for this X-Shot nerf gun. No, not nerf gun. X-Shot water gun. There we go. I got an epic nerf gun. So yeah, let me check my agility. We're actually, I got an idea. The nerf gun today. That's a good idea. Oh wait, let me go check if the rain has stopped. The rain has stopped. So maybe we can do some things outside. I got an idea. Oh, it wiped off? Are you serious? Well, the rain wiped my idea off. Because it just started raining again, so yeah. But I got an idea. Nerf gun in the house. Let's do that. So I'm going to find my bullets, pause the video. Now it is time to do Nerf gun. Test number 1. So I've got 2 shots to make it in the middle of the, sorry guys. I've got 2 shots to make it into the middle of that door. So ready? 1, 2, 3. That's a perfect shot. 1, 2, 3. So now that was perfect shots. Now it is time to try to make it onto the door handle. So yeah. 1, 2, 3. It made it! 1, 2, 3. I didn't think that made it, but the first shot did. So that was pretty good. My aiming as well. Now it is time to see how far I can go. Let's see if I can get it even farther than camera. First, I gotta make it into the middle of the door. So yeah. On. There we go. There. Bang! Good can go really fast. It can go this fast. Faster. I don't have any, so yeah. We are going to use the X-Shot Nerf gun next week. So, not next week, but maybe next video if it's next week. So, tune in for that. And we will see you guys later. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and I'm trying to make it to 50 subscribers in fall. So please subscribe and like, and I'll put a pie in my face. I promise. Oh wait, I passed 5 subscribers. So I'm gonna do that next. I'm gonna do that next video. So yeah. Bye! You're awesome. I'm awesome. Everybody's awesome. And tune in for next video. Bye!